Have this in mind. The verification of the document is the verification of the land. If the document is fake, the land itself is fake. This is why verifying your documents when doing transactions, especially on real estate in Abuja, is very important. And in this video, I'll be telling you the step-by-step process of how to verify your land documents at AEGIS. Now let's dive right in. Number one, the first thing you have to do is to submit a formal request. What this entails is addressing an application to Director of Lands Administration at AGIS, and you have to AGIS, which is AGIS, providing your full property details, which includes the plot number, file number, and the cadastral zone where your property falls under, as seen on the title document. Now, it's important that I say this right, but I'll say this in the next point. Now, that's the very first thing to do, submit a formal request. This means you have to get information about the property you want to do the verification for. And you will do this by asking for the title document of the property and other documents that would help you actually get this. Actually, when you submit a request to do a formal request, they will tell you the documents that you need to bring or for your search. Number two, pay the search fee. So this is between 10,000 to 20,000 naira, depending on the kind of search you want to do for residential land or commercial land. When you pay this fee, the search commences for your land verification that you want to run at AEGIS. And that brings us to number three, which is submit the required document. Remember, I said when you submit a request to do research, they will tell you the things to bring. And the documents you're likely going to be asked to submit is the payment receipt, the application letter you put on in the first place to ask for a request, and then photocopies of the land documents, which is the C of O, the R of O, or the letter of allocation, as the case may be. You submit this at the AGIS legal unit. Now, in submitting the document, it's important that you note this as well. Most times, you will be asked to bring the documents to an AGIS staff for citing to ensure that the documents are genuine. But it's important that you know this. When you're buying from a real estate company or from an estate, you're not going to get the original or genuine documents of that estate. You'll be given a copy of it for which you can use to go and go for your verification, all right? Except you're buying a single land where you're directly buying from a seller that owns a single plot, then you will be asked to bring the original or the genuine title. Finally, number four, you wait for your search report. This timeline of waiting is not cast in stone. It could be from 24 hours onwards, but oftentimes you don't have to wait a gazillion years or donkey years. It could be a max of 24 hours. Sometimes you can get it that same day, but it is necessary that you know that you're going to wait for AGIS staff to conduct a digital and physical search. Then a final report is issued to you detailing the true owner and confirming if the land is under litigation or not. So this is how you run your search for land verification at AEGIS. I'll take the steps again for you. Number one, submit a formal request. Number two, pay the search fee. Number three, submit the required documents, which may need you to go there physically sometimes. And finally, number four, wait for your search report. So if you have been looking to invest in Abuja real estate and you're looking for verified properties that rid you of the stress of having to go and verify and search yourself, you can actually call the phone number on the screen and we will present to you our triple verified properties that are safe for you to buy from. If you're such a person that wants to buy land in Abuja stress-free, call that phone number right now. We're looking forward to get a call from you now.